So, I've been testing the Polara FreshOne cooler for a little while now, and I wanted to give you my honest thoughts on it. No hype, just real use. First impression? It looks clean, super portable, and honestly really easy to set up. You just fill it with water, plug it in, and it starts blowing cooler air almost immediately. No installation, no hoses, nothing complicated. Now, does it actually cool a room like an air conditioner? That's where things get a bit mixed. It's not a true AC unit with a compressor, so it doesn't actually lower the room temperature in a big way. What it does is more of a strong, chilled airflow that feels nice when you're sitting close to it. In a small room, or right next to your bed or desk, it definitely helps you feel more comfortable. But if you're expecting it to handle a whole hot room on a really warm day, you're probably going to be disappointed. Noise-wise, it's pretty reasonable, nothing too distracting. And I do like that it's energy efficient and easy to move around. So overall, it's more of a personal cooler than a full AC replacement. Handy, but only if you understand its limits.